Hi there everybody, it's the wonderful, great and glorious, soon to be famous one, Nick Dash, back on the camera yet again one more time. Hi there, how's it going? Yes! Great to be here, great to be back. Just want to quickly weigh on a private message I've received from a particular YouTube user. This is actually quite an interesting one. It says, so people are saying that that holographic quantum physics proves that magic is literally hacking the hologram we call reality. What do you think? I think it's a point of view. I think it's a religious idea. I think that that's someone taking some form of scientific explanation and trying to turn that into some kind of religion in its own right, trying to say that, okay, someone said this, therefore, but the bottom line is, therefore, you know, like what? I mean, literally, the bottom line is, so what? I mean, how on earth could we prove objectively that this is the case? The best we can say is this is hypothetical, but we can't quite say that. All we can say this is like a really religious interpretation of a particular idea. You know, they've taken science or something from science, and they've said, oh, that proves it. But essentially, is that, you know, the all-embracing theory? I mean, that is hypothetical. It is an idea that lots of people use as if to say that, you know, we're all connected, we're all in some strange way one. And to a certain extent, I would have some belief in that particular perspective. But to say that the holographic, you know, quantum physics model of the universe actually proves that objectively makes things a little weird, because, you know, there's too many things we don't actually know. Taking into account there's too many things we don't actually know, can we therefore say, without the shadow of a doubt, that there is proof, and I mean solid proof, that this is the case? Okay, an argument can prove something, but only within the confines of the argument. Alright, not necessarily within outer reality, so we've got to bear that in mind as well. Within the confines of any argument, if it's well enough constructed, you can prove anything. But is that scientifically proven? Is that objectively, you know, factual evidence? That, you know, we can't say. All we can say is that there is some strange things that happen, some strange things that go on, and people will not stop coming up with ideas and hypotheses as to what all this is and what it all does. And that's essentially where we have to leave it, unfortunately.